Okay, let me give you guys another percentage problem. So here we've got the average attendance, and the pie chart shows the average attendance over a season. Rover's average attendance was 50,000. So this is Rover's here, 50,000 people. So what that means is this bit here is 50,000 people. So this bit here is 50,000 people. So if 25% is 50,000, then the whole thing would be 4 times as much, which would be 200,000 people, which would represent the whole pie. So so a quarter of a pie, you're told, is 50,000. So if you times it by 4, so 50,000 times another quarter would be 100,000, and then another quarter would be 150. So you've got another quarter, which would be well, the point here is that the whole pie here represents 200,000 people. Okay, so let me just clean this up. So this 50,000 represents Rovers, and the whole pie represents 200,000 people. So now we're asked how many people on average attended United. So United is here. So to work out the number of people, we would get the whole pie, which is this thing here. Get a whole pie, cut it up into 100 equal pieces, and then you want to get 20 pieces. So now divide by 100. So this bit here would then be 200. Would then be 2,000, and then you times 20. So 2 times 2 would be 4, and then you've got 4 zeros. Well, do whichever method you want. This is my method. So my method comes to 4,000. 4 zeros. So that would be 40,000. My method would be 40,000. So the answer here would be 40,000. 40,000. So 40,000 represents the number of people for United. 40,000 people for United. Okay, so hang on, let me just clean this up. So the next question is how many teams had average attendance over 45,000? So hang on, let's look at this. Over 45. Well, with 25 pieces, this is over for sure. This is over 45,000. Well, if 25 is already over 50,000, then 26 pieces would definitely be over 45,000. So we know for sure this team is over 45,000. This team is over 45,000. This team is less than 45,000. So this is no good. Well, 20 pieces is already no good, so 16 pieces is definitely no good. 13 pieces is definitely less than 20 pieces, so it's definitely no good. So what's the question? The question was how many teams had average attendance over 45? How many teams? It's only these 2 teams. So so the answer here would be 2 teams. How many teams? So that would be 2. Okay, so the next question is City had an average attendance of more than 50,000. Is that true or false? So City over City more than 50,000. So let's look at this. Hang on. City had an average attendance of more than 50,000. Yeah, then that's definitely true, because 25 pieces represents 50,000 people. So here you've got an extra piece. Here you've got 26 pieces. Here you've got 25 pieces. So you've got an extra piece. So therefore it must mean it's more than 50,000. So the answer here must be true. Must be true. Just because you know it has an extra 1 piece. So and 25 pieces is already 50,000. If City already has, well, if City has an extra 1 piece, then it's definitely going to be bigger than 50,000. So the answer here would be true. Okay.